To look up and reactivate an old posting, first select the Employers tab. Below the Employers tab, select My Postings. Enter your email address and select Search Past Listings. Under Manage My Old Postings, you will see a list of your inactive old postings that have been removed from the site. You can click on the job title to view the posting. Check the box to the left of each posting to select at least one of the jobs below to view, reactivate. Select Click to Edit. A confirmation page will come up. Done. Now check your email. An email will be sent to the email address you have used to post jobs with a link to directly edit or delete your posting. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam junk folder. In the email, select Reactivate Posting. A window will open where you can edit the reactivated job posting. Once you have finished revising your posting, select Preview. If you are ready to submit the posting for review, select Submit. The page will refresh with a Post a Job confirmation. Your posting has been submitted and an email confirmation has been sent. You can now upgrade the posting if you choose. You can find this video and more helpful tutorials on our website under the Support tab. If you ever need additional help, please email us at support@EntertainmentCareers.Net or give us a call at 310-442-0200.